the thing that was wonderful for me was that musicians are superstitious. I think a lot of musicians are superstitious. And I always felt there were certain keys that I liked to work in and when I wrote songs or played things on the guitar. And I found echoes of my particular musical feelings in my great uncle's music. And part of it might have been wishful thinking, but part of it wasn't. I mean, part of it is I really felt, you know, when you feel like family, I felt like family. And it got better and worse at the same time. It was both exciting and confusing. I mean, it was not so easy to assimilate. You know, I mean, if I had been raised with this music, if I had been raised with that language, if I had been raised with even with that food or with those holidays, or it would have made it easier. I was coming in to this world as a total stranger. So that was the confusing part. The exciting part was that it was flattering to feel that I had people in my family that were musicians. It was comforting to think that I wasn't all by myself, that if I had chosen to become a musician, my sister is also a musician, that it wasn't totally by accident, that there was something in our DNA maybe that had pushed us to that, which was pleasurable. It was satisfying to think that, you know, whether it's true or not, I don't know, but so it was a mixed feeling of confusion and pleasure.